This tutorial will guide you through how to create daily configurations such that you can create a new configuration for each one of the 7 days of the week. The first thing you need to do is create different configurations in each one of these three areas: panel content, scrolling menus, and animations. So if I click on go to the main menu and hit panel content, you can now design your panel content, for example, and in this case I have panel 1, 2, 3, and 4 different entries. And so let's say that this particular configuration I want to save. You click the save button here, and you have to name it as, we'll call it base, and then save. Now this is now saved as under the word base. Let's say I want to create a second configuration, and so now I am going and adding different videos and different pictures. And then I want to save it as, I'll call it base 2. Okay, so now I've saved base and base 2, and I'll hit return menu, and I will go to scrolling menu, and the process is very similar, where I can save different configurations. So let's say save this one, and I call it CNN. And you can then click others. Let's say I click those and I want to save that. Hit save as news feeds. And I return to menu. And I do the same thing with animations. So I can grab and create my own unique animation. Hit save and call it combo and return. Now I have different configurations in the panel content, scrolling messages, and animations. So if I want to now use those configurations in different ways, you want to hit this button called Daily Configuration Setup. Notice now that when you're in this menu, there are 7 days a week here, and you can then pick different ones that different panel content, scrolling, and animations. So if you recall, I just created base, and then scrolling menus I created CNN, and animations I created combo. So, and then as a fourth, the look and feel, I just grab one of these and put it in here. So now on Sunday, I have a particular configuration that will turn on Sunday. And you could do the same for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for all 7 days of the week. We can pick different configurations, for example. Now current means that the configuration is what is right now on the system. So you can pick current, and that's not one of the saved configurations, it is the one that is currently being used. So let's say that I go through and I pick this here. Okay, and I want to actually look at the configuration. So you can hit this button called Test Schedule, and it will actually walk you through the different days of the week. So I finished, that's what Sunday will look, and I advance to the next day. And you can see that this is Mondays. It's Mondays here. And I advance to the next day, and it will show you what Tuesday will look like. And so this allows you to see what you've actually designed. So you can see that now you can change the look and feel and the content of your configurations at least one for every day of the week. When you are done, you can hit this button called Return to Menu. And for this to go into effect, you will have to move from Use Current to Use Scheduler. In this Use Scheduler, you can set the start time and end time and pick the days of the week that you want to actually have FlexDisplay running. Once you hit this FlexDisplay, it will now respond to what you have configured it. We have provided this feature so that you can keep your display changing on a daily basis if you'd like, and fresh to your customers. Thank you.